Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Quanicassee, a small lakeside community on the Saginaw Bay in Michigan. This peaceful place is known for its fishing, boating, and beautiful waterfront views. The history of Quanicassee goes back to the early days when Native Americans lived and traded along these shores. The name Quanicassee comes from an Ojibwe word meaning lone tree, which once stood as a landmark on the bay. In the 1800s, settlers arrived and built homes, farms, and small businesses that supported the growing community. Over the years, the town has remained a favorite spot for anglers and families looking to enjoy the outdoors. Whether you are here to fish, explore, or simply enjoy the view, Quanicassee is a place that invites you to slow down and take it all in. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Quanicassee, Michigan. Thanks for watching!